Free road trip planner, with road trip games and snacks to keep the whole carload smiling. Free road trip planner, your complete road trip packing list in an easy-to-follow checklist format. If you're planning to hit the road and need a complete road trip planner with all the essentials for an enjoyable and successful trip locally or internationally, well, you've got the right tool. In this free trip planner Chrome extension with printable and downloadable PDF versions, we've put together a mega guide of what to pack for a road trip in an easy-to-follow checklist format. The extension will guide you through the various road trip essentials and tips. Whether you want to take a road trip to California, across the US, or a cross-country road trip anywhere in the world, you'll find our Chrome extension very handy that will keep the car, and you, running smoothly throughout your journey. The checklists comes with a travel guide and Google Maps driving directions. The checklists help you plan before you go, keep you on track during your drive, and set you up for an easy return journey. Before you even start packing, you need to plan your route and figure out your budget. Click the link in the description to install Road Trip Planner. This tool includes access to user-friendly road trip maps so you can figure out the best way to get to your destination. Do you want the fastest, the most scenic, the least toll roads? Organize your route before you go. Driving across the country to your holiday destination can become a chore if you have not prepared and thought ahead. That's why we've also included ideas for entertainment. Check out our suggestions of road trip games to keep your passengers engaged and busy, especially great for kids. What about music? See our suggestions for road trip songs and playlists. And of course, keeping everyone happy with tasty road trip snacks will make the drive enjoyable. We've provided plenty of suggestions for snacks to keep the whole carload smiling. While you're driving, safety is important. Not only does the tool provide you with insurance and safety tips, but also links to up-to-date weather for road trips, making sure you're ready for rain, sun or snow. Want to try an alternative route on the way back home? Want to move on to another vacation destination? Again, use the tools in this road trip planner extension to get the most of your journey home. You'll also discover insider vacation packages around the world. To make everything even easier, you can download this tool in a printable checklist. Click the link in the description to install Road Trip Planner now.